Hello everyone, this is Akal from Global Stocks, and today I'm going to make a short video which is just highlighting the coming negativity ahead. So, this video I'm showing you from TradingView. It's a charting platform freely available to everybody. So, if you want to start using it, you can go to this tradingview.com and sign up, and you can get charts there. So, this is the chart of S&P 500 monthly chart, and I'll be making another video which explains what details of go into charting and everything. So, but for the moment, let's just see that this is a monthly chart. Then there is a weekly chart and also a daily chart, and then there are intraday charts. So what this shows is that I had made a video which I had put in the group that in February end. In February end was a doji, and before it there was a market had stalled, had gone sideways for 3 months. So we were expecting negativity ahead. March was this black candle, first black candle, and market had fallen in March, and now market had fallen in March as shown here. It's about 5.75%. In April, it has just been 1 week, and it has already fallen about 10%, 9.6%. So basically, the ferocity of the move has been such that we are doesn't look like it's going to stop soon. This top here was the initial resistance which it took out here, and now it is the support around 48.20, around this number 48.20, which is just about 5% away from here. I don't think the market is going to stop in just 5% from here. It's going to go much down. The next support, major support, is at 3500, which is about which is very far away from here. It's about 31%. So the market is going to probably stop somewhere between 4820 and 3500. And I don't know, and I cannot say where it's going to stop. But the best thing is to just get out of the market and not hope that it stops soon and reverses. It's not going to happen so soon. For example, look at what happened here in 2022. It started falling, but the fall was not as sharp as has been this time. There were these lower shadows in the black ones, and after that, it took a long time here to consolidate before it started going up again, and it took out this resistance. So, similar action can be expected here. The market will consolidate and then go up again, but it's going to take some time, not sooner. So, whosoever asks me, I say get out of the market if you are in a profit, and even if you are in a loss, just get out of it, save your money, and you can always get in later, maybe 3, 4, 5 months later down the line when the market bottoms out. Uh, this is my hunch and my guess. I'm not very sure, and but I don't think the market is going to stop so soon. Trump has done something fundamentally. Uh, he has changed something fundamentally, is what I feel. And if if we see the weekly chart of SPIX, we see this huge candle, black candle in the weekly chart. If you want to go back, nowhere do you see such a black candle, such a large black candle. Here we see some candle, but they are, you might say, relatively sized, and there was a choppy action here. But uh, here also it's a small candle here at the start of the fall. Uh, so open up this chart and trading view and study it is what I would suggest. This is the weekly chart. Earlier we were seeing the monthly chart. This is the monthly. This was the monthly chart, and now this is the weekly chart. And you would do well to see the daily chart also. This is the daily chart. the market has fallen with gaps. This is called a gap where there is no price action, and the move has been extremely ferocious. Never before such moves have been seen. And here also is written S&P is today 10 plus was one for the history books. Only three times before you can read this. You can open up the review and see it. So Nasdaq also has done something similar. The charts are similar for all indices. They are similar. What I was about to say is that uh, if you this candle right now is way out of a line. It's uh, very far outside the Bollinger Band. These Bollinger Bands they contain about 95% of the prices. So if you go so far out of the Bollinger Band, the next probability of the next price going even further down is less. It's quite less. So the next 1 to 3 days might see a consolidation here, prices moving up or prices moving sideways. But it's a 50-50 thing. You can't really say for sure whether prices will go up or whether prices will go down because the move has been such that one might expect some more selling on Monday itself. But anyway, so best thing is not to stand in front of a oncoming train because you're just quoting danger then. This is Nasdaq and DX100, and in this trading view, here are the tickers which you can see. All these tickers I have put here. So if you open the trading view, you can see them here. And this is Meta. If the market is opening strong on Monday in pre-market or futures are also positive, which means the sell-off was overdone, then Meta is the stock which I would wanted to buy for 1 or 2 days trading. If you don't want to do 1 2 days trading, that's perfectly fine. Uh, this is done best only by people who can devote a full time to trading. But Meta is the one which is better than all others. I'll just show you others also. What Meta has done is a huge gap below the Bollinger Band, and it has made a high wave almost a doji. What that means, market is quite undecided as to which way it should go. If the market is undecided, then there's a bit good possibility it can go up. So I had put some stickers here which I like because so this is Tesla. Tesla also looks like it. Tesla is actually on a uh, trend line. If it breaks this, it will fall down, but it is at the moment at its support. This is Hood. Hood also has got a long lower shadow, which means it has refused to go down on Friday a lot, although it fell and therefore it was down a lot, 9.8%. But it rejected this region where it has this long lower shadow. So there could be some sideways consolidation coming. Palantir looks slightly weak. Meta I've just discussed. Netflix also is approaching its support. There's no point talking like this. It doesn't make much sense. Actually, when I'm saying just stay out of the market, that means stay out of the market. So uh, that's all I want to discuss for today. And the bull market is going to be somewhere. I feel it's going to be some time from now. And I had made this video in my
3
YouTube channel
months.
in which I had discussed that SPIX has basically topped out. If this is February 28, 2025 SPIX, and so let's see. I'll send this link along with the present video so you can see both videos, or you can just go to my channel and browse through all the videos. Okay, then thank you so much for listening, and hope you have had a nice weekend and still continue to have one good one. Thank you.